Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am about to make a stuffed leg of lamb. So I have to do a few things. Let me pour some of my garlic oil that I made by roasting the garlic first and then in this olive oil that I'll brush on top. But we're going to stuff it first and then season the outsides. Tress it's tied up. Hands are clean. I took some of my great, look at that wonderful garlic olive oil. I roasted the garlic and then let it sit. I roasted the garlic in the olive oil and let it sit. So I poured some out here so I can brush the inside of my leg of lamb and not worry about cross-contamination. I'll be using this oil for this. Okay. This is my first time deciding to stuff a leg of lamb. Okay. Now, here I have salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just gonna get that on there first. General seasoning here. Okay. Okay. Just a little sprinkling across the inside. I will make a rub for the outside. Season the inside before I stuff it. Now, I have here chopped parsley, mint, rosemary, thyme. What else do I have chopped up in here? A little bit of sage. And I am now going to add some garlic, minced garlic, because I'm going to put the roasted garlic on the outside. Okay. Into my my stuffing. I am mixing. I am going to put a little garam masala. I know, it sounds like curry. Little ground cloves here. Okay. No particular amount. I'm just putting what I think will work. Okay. And I am mixing this stuffing together. Breadcrumbs. Season this a little bit with my salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay. I'm going to put a little more of that olive oil in there. Now it's not super wet, but the juices from the actual meat here will deal with that. So I am going to start the stuffing process. I really want to get a good stuffing in here and hope that I can get it in there and truss it up. And that it will work well. I want to get all this stuffing in here. All of it. Oh, since it's just the three of us, my son, my husband, because of, trying to be safe, I'm doing some experimental work. Okay? So I haven't done this before. Let me turn this around a little because I now need to roll it. I need to roll it tight. I hope you are getting this. And there's a fat pad on the outside. Don't worry, I have clean hands. Super double washed. helping the stuffing stay in. Try to do it tight. Now I need my toothpicks before I truss it. I need all the help I can get. Alexa, answer.